Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful oversized top. I have already uploaded a video on how to make the shorts. So if this is what you're interested in, please watch this video to the end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. So I have folded my fabric into four. We are going to be cutting the front and the back together. So I'm drawing out my starting line. I'm marking out my top length. In this video I used 22 inches but later adjusted it to 24 inches plus 2 inches folding allowance, which is 26 inches. The next thing I'm doing now is marking out my sleeve length. In this video I used 10 inches but please use 14 inches. I later adjusted it to 14 inches because this 9 inches was tight. Then this is my shoulder. This is a cut together sleeve, so the shoulder measurement I used is 14 inches. Then I came down by 1 inch from that 14 inches. For the neck width I used 3 inches, and for the neck depth for the front I used 3 inches. So I'm going to draw out the curve. Then for the neck depth for the back I used 1 inch. Next I'm going to slope my shoulder. I'm going to connect it from the neck width to that 1 inch I came down from for my shoulder slope. Guys, some people cut this without any joining at the shoulder, but noticed that like this gives more fitting. So here I'm applying my measurements. The measurement I used is my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches allowance. So guys, please ignore that line I just drew now. I'm making a curve from my sleeve down to my top length. So you can see that sleeve area is a bit curvy. That is how you're going to curve it. Then you will cut it out. I'm going to cut out the back neck first. Remember, it is the front and back that we are cutting. We'll cut out the back neck first and remove the back before we make our alterations at the front pieces. Now I'm removing the back from the front. Now at the front area we'll cut out the neck first. After cutting out the neck, I'm coming in by 3 inches and I will mark it all the way down to the end of the top. Now use my ruler to make a straight line down and then cut it out. So this is where our collar is going to be. That design in front, this is where it is going to be. Now the next thing I'm doing is to join the front and the back together first before we do any other thing. You join the front, you place the front and the back together and join it at the shoulder area with half an inch. After joining the shoulder, I'm trimming out the excess at the shoulder area. Next, I'm going to measure round, and whatever I get, I will use it to cut out a pieces. The pieces I cut out is 7 inches wide. So 6 inches is for the main design and 1 inch is for sewing allowance. I will notch the center. I folded it into two and notched the center. Next, I will be coming down from that folded part by 13 inches, and this is going to be my neck opening. Then I will run a stitch at the center. please, if you can iron it so that your iron will give you the guideline of where to sew, fine. Now I'm folding the back into two, and I will notch the center. Then I'll also use the center of that band I have cut out and place on the center of the back and pin it all the way down. And I will be joining it with 1/2 inch. So you do the same to the other side, and this is what it looks like after sewing. I'm going to be going a little bit extra by adding an extra pieces to the sleeve, and this pieces is 7 inches wide, but it's going to be on fold, which will make it 3.5. So I'm going to join it to the sleeve area. After that, I will close my sides and fold the hem parts of my top. So that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.